Hey guys, if you're looking for the best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a professional designer, a maker, or someone who wants to create detailed prototypes and multicolor 3D models, choosing the right 3D printer can make a huge difference. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026. We've included high-speed Core XY printers, multicolor and multi-material systems, large format 3D printers, advanced enclosed printers, and even a professional 3D scanner that can work alongside your 3D printing workflow. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. Flashforge Creator 5 4-Tool Head Changer 3D Printer. This is an advanced multi-tool head 3D printer designed for users who want fast printing, multicolor capabilities, and multi-material flexibility. One of the biggest highlights of this printer is its 4-tool head changer system. Instead of relying on a traditional filament changing process, the Creator 5 can switch between different tool heads, making it possible to work with multiple materials and colors. It also features a near-zero waste system, which can be a major advantage for users who don't want to waste large amounts of filament during color changes. Another impressive feature is the 7-second flash swap tool changing system. For speed, the Creator 5 uses a Core XY design and can reach printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. It also comes with automatic calibration, helping make the setup and printing process easier. For support-heavy models, the Clean Support Removal system can also make post-processing much more convenient. The Flashforge Creator 5 is aimed more towards serious makers, professionals, and advanced hobbyists than complete beginners. Its combination of high-speed, 4 tool heads, multicolor printing, and multi-material support makes it extremely versatile. If you're planning to print complex models that require different materials or colors, this printer could be a very interesting option. Pros: 4 tool head, multicolor and multi-material printing, up to 600 millimeters per second printing speed, 7-second flash swap tool changing system, near-zero waste printing system, automatic calibration, Core XY design. Overall, the Flashforge Creator 5 is an excellent choice for users who want a powerful and highly versatile multi-material 3D printing setup. Number 2. Official Creality K2 Combo 2026 3D Printer. Creality is one of the most recognizable names in the consumer 3D printing market, and the K2 Combo is designed for users who want a more advanced multicolor printing experience. The K2 Combo comes with Creality's CFS system, which allows the printer to work with multiple filament colors. This makes it much easier to create colorful models, decorative objects, characters, signs, and other detailed prints. The printer is also designed around high-speed printing, making it suitable for users who don't want to spend excessive amounts of time waiting for larger models to finish. Another important advantage is its focus on automation. For modern 3D printing, features like automatic calibration and intelligent printing management can make the overall experience much easier. The Creality K2 Combo is a strong choice for users who want to move beyond basic single-color 3D printing. The combination of the K2 printer and CFS system gives you more flexibility when working with multiple colors and different types of projects. For hobbyists, makers, and creators who frequently print colorful models, this setup can be a very practical upgrade. Pros: multicolor printing with CFS, high-speed printing capability, advanced automated features, suitable for detailed models, strong choice for hobbyists and makers, large and versatile printing ecosystem. Overall, the Creality K2 Combo is a great option for anyone looking for a modern, feature-packed 3D printer with multicolor capabilities. Number 3. QIDI Max 4 Combo 3D Printer. If your priority is large format 3D printing, this one deserves your attention. The QIDI Max 4 offers a large 390 by 390 by 340 millimeter build volume. That means you have considerably more space to print large objects without splitting them into multiple smaller pieces. One of the standout features is its 65 degrees Celsius heated camber. A heated camber can be especially useful when printing certain engineering-grade and temperature-sensitive materials because it can help maintain a more controlled printing environment. This makes the Max 4 combo particularly interesting for advanced makers, engineers, and professional users. The large build area also makes it useful for prototypes, functional components, large models, and other projects where print size matters. The QIDI Max 4 combo is not simply about making small decorative models. Its large build volume and heated camber make it much more suitable for serious printing applications. If you're working with larger parts or materials that benefit from a controlled environment, this printer could offer a major advantage. However, because of its advanced capabilities, it may be more than a beginner actually needs. Pros: 390 by 390 by 340 mm build volume, 65 degrees Celsius heated camber, designed for advanced materials, excellent for large models, suitable for professional and engineering applications, flexible printing capabilities. Overall, the QIDI Max 4 combo is an excellent choice for users who need a large build area and a more controlled printing environment. Number 4. Snapmaker U1 3D Printer. This printer is another interesting option for users who want multicolor and multi-material 3D printing. The Snapmaker U1 uses a 4-tool head system with an extremely fast 5-second tool changing process. That means you can quickly switch between different tool heads while working on a project. For multicolor printing, this approach can offer an efficient alternative to traditional filament changing systems. The 4-tool head setup also gives users more flexibility when they want to combine different materials or colors within the same project. Snapmaker has also focused heavily on usability and automation, making the U1 appealing to creators who want advanced capabilities without constantly managing every part of the printing process manually. The Snapmaker U1 is particularly interesting for makers who want fast multicolor printing and a flexible toolhead system. The 5-second tool changing capability is one of its biggest highlights. For projects that use several colors or materials, fast tool changes can help reduce interruptions and improve the overall printing workflow. Pros: 4-tool head, 5-second tool changing, multicolor printing, multi-material flexibility, modern automated workflow, great for creative projects. Overall, the Snapmaker U1 is a strong choice for creators who want fast tool changes and advanced multicolor 3D printing. Number 5. Revopoint MetroX Pro 3D Scanner. Technically, this isn't a traditional 3D printer. Instead, it's an advanced 3D scanner designed to capture real-world objects and turn them into digital 3D models. This can be extremely useful for 3D printing workflows. The MetroX Pro uses blue laser scanning technology and is designed for advanced 3D scanning applications. Imagine you have a physical object and want to reproduce it using a 3D printer. Instead of manually designing the entire object from scratch, a 3D scanner can capture its shape and dimensions and create a digital model that can then be processed for 3D printing. This can be particularly useful for reverse engineering, product development, replacement parts, prototypes, and detailed modeling. The Revopoint MetroX Pro is best viewed as a companion tool for serious 3D printing and design work, rather than a replacement for a 3D printer. If you already have a 3D printer and want to scan physical objects, create digital models, or reproduce existing parts, a professional scanner like this can significantly expand what you can do. Pros: advanced blue laser scanning, designed for detailed 3D capture, useful for reverse engineering, great companion for 3D printing, useful for prototypes and product development, can turn physical objects into digital models. So, which one should you choose? If you want an advanced 4-tool head printer with extremely fast printing and multi-material capabilities, the Flashforge Creator 5 is an excellent option. If you prefer the Creality ecosystem and want a powerful multicolor setup, the Creality K2 Combo is worth considering. For users who need a large build volume and a heated camber, the QIDI Max 4 Combo stands out. If fast tool changing and multicolor printing are your priorities, the Snapmaker U1 is another impressive choice. And if you're looking for an advanced scanning solution to complement your 3D printing workflow, the Revopoint MetroX Pro is a unique option. So, those were the top 5 best 3D printers and 3D printing solutions on Amazon in 2026. Each product is designed for a different type of user, from high-speed multi-tool head printing to large format production and advanced 3D scanning. There are plenty of options depending on your budget and printing requirements. I've also included the product links in the description so you can check the latest prices and availability. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.